The iPhone 18 Pro and iPhone 18 Pro Max are expected to launch this fall, and if the latest leaks are accurate, Apple is lining up some of the biggest design refinements we've seen in years. We're talking about cleaner colors, a sleeker front, and bolder finishes that push the Pro lineup even further away from the old, boring silver and black days. In this video, we're breaking down the 3 major iPhone 18 Pro design changes you need to know about before you decide whether to upgrade. The new unified back design, the smaller dynamic island, and the bold new color options Apple is testing right now. Let's jump straight in. First, let's talk about the back of the iPhone 18 Pro, because this is where one of the most noticeable changes is happening. With the iPhone 17 Pro series, Apple introduced a fresh design language, that full-width camera plateau, and some really eye-catching colors. People loved the new finishes, and most users surprisingly warmed up to the extended camera housing pretty quickly. But there was one controversial move: the two-tone look. On the iPhone 17 Pro, the rear glass and the aluminum frame don't quite match. You get a difference in shade between the back glass panel and the sides of the phone. Some people like the contrast, but a lot of users felt it looked a bit mismatched and less premium than Apple's earlier unified designs. According to a reliable Weibo leaker, Instant Digital, Apple has listened to that feedback. He claims that the iPhone 18 Pro and iPhone 18 Pro Max will feature a redesigned rear glass that significantly reduces the color difference between the glass back and the aluminum frame. In other words, Apple is aiming for a more seamless, unified look across the entire back of the device. Think of a Pro iPhone where the color flows smoothly from the glass back into the sides, instead of looking like 2 slightly different shades of the same hue. This should make the iPhone 18 Pro feel cleaner, more cohesive, and more finished, especially in brighter or more saturated colors. If you were not a fan of the two-tone iPhone 17 Pro design, the iPhone 18 Pro could be the return to visual harmony you've been waiting for. Now let's flip the phone around and talk about the front, because this is where Apple is making a more technical but very visible tweak. There's been a lot of confusion over what's happening with the front cutout on the iPhone 18 Pro. Early rumors claimed Apple might ditch the dynamic island entirely and move to a simple hole punch design, but newer and more consistent. Leaks now paint a different picture. Instead of going all the way to a tiny hole punch, Apple is expected to take an in-between step, a smaller dynamic island. According to multiple reports, the dynamic island on the iPhone 18 Pro and iPhone 18 Pro Max will shrink by around 35% compared to the current generation. That's a huge reduction in visual footprint. How is Apple doing this? The rumor is that Apple is moving some of the Face ID hardware under the display itself. Not all the sensors will be hidden yet, which is why the company isn't ready for a pure hole punch or a completely invisible front camera. But by tucking part of the Face ID system beneath the screen, Apple can reduce the size of the visible cutout. The result: you still get the dynamic island experience for alerts, timers, music, calls, and live activities. But it takes up less space at the top of the screen, giving you more usable display area and a cleaner viewing experience. Screen sizes are expected to stay the same as the iPhone 17 Pro and 17 Pro Max. So the real improvement here is visual, more immersive content, slimmer cutout, and a design that nudges us closer to that all-screen iPhone future Apple is clearly working toward. A full, truly all-screen iPhone with no cutout at all will likely require every Face ID and camera component to be fully under the display. The iPhone 18 Pro isn't quite there yet, but this smaller dynamic island looks like the next logical step on that journey. Now let's move on to the part a lot of people care about the most: colors. Apple surprised everyone with the iPhone 17 Pro lineup when it started embracing more daring fun Pro colors. For years, Apple stuck to safe Pro finishes: black, silver, graphite, maybe a subtle blue or gold. But then we got bolder shades, and one in particular stood out: Cosmic Orange. Cosmic Orange was a big hit. It proved that Pro users are not just business-only, monochrome-only customers. People want personality, even on a $1,000 flagship. According to leaks, Apple isn't about to go back to just black and gray for the iPhone 18 Pro. In fact, the company is reportedly experimenting with several new bold colors. Leaker Instant Digital says Apple has tested at least 3 new options for the iPhone 18 Pro series. Coffee brown, purple, burgundy, these aren't guaranteed to all ship. Apple often prototypes multiple colors internally, then narrows them down to just 1 or 2 new options that actually make it to retail. But this does tell us something important. Apple is very much committed to continuing the trend of unique, expressive Pro finishes. Coffee brown could offer a more subtle, classy, almost leather-inspired vibe, especially when paired with a unified glass and aluminum color. Purple could range from a deep, royal tone to something more muted and metallic. Either way, it would likely be a standout, and burgundy suggests a darker, richer red wine tone that would look extremely premium on a Pro body. The big question is whether Apple will introduce another orange-style color to build on the success of Cosmic Orange. We haven't seen a confirmed Cosmic Orange 2.0 yet, but it would make a lot of sense for Apple to ride that wave with either a refreshed orange or something like a burnt copper finish. Now, what about black? Every year, there's a solid chunk of iPhone users who just want a clean, glossy, or matte black Pro model. But according to Instant Digital, Apple may not offer a true black option on the iPhone 18 Pro lineup. In fact, he specifically mentioned that it looks like there won't be a black one next year. That doesn't necessarily mean there won't be a very dark color. Apple could still offer a deep gray, a space-like finish, or a very dark navy that functions as the black option. But a classic, pure black, especially something like the old jet black, doesn't seem to be on the table for the iPhone 18 Pro, at least based on current rumors. Some Apple fans speculate that Apple is saving a truly striking, polished, jet black style finish for a bigger milestone device like a 20th anniversary iPhone. That could be paired with a fully all-screen front design for a visual throwback to iconic models like the iPhone 3G, iPhone 4, or jet black iPhone 7, while still feeling ultra-modern. Whether that happens or not, the direction is clear. The iPhone 18 Pro family will continue to shift toward more expressive Pro colors, moving away from the days when Pro models were limited to just 2 or 3 muted finishes. So to recap the 3 major iPhone 18 Pro and iPhone 18 Pro Max design changes we're expecting this fall. Number 1, a more unified rear design with newly engineered back glass that closely matches the aluminum frame color for a cleaner, more seamless look. Number 2, a smaller dynamic island, reportedly around 35% more compact, thanks to some Face ID components being moved under the display, bringing use closer to an edge-to-edge all-screen iPhone experience. Number 3, bolder Pro colors, with Apple testing options like coffee brown, purple, and burgundy, potentially building on the success of Cosmic Orange, while possibly skipping a classic black model this year. All of this points to Apple refining the iPhone 18 Pro experience rather than completely reinventing it. Same general design language, but visually cleaner, more immersive on the front, and more expressive on the back. Now I want to hear from you. What do you think about these rumored iPhone 18 Pro design changes? Do you like the idea of a unified glass and aluminum color? Or did you actually prefer the two-tone look of the iPhone 17 Pro? Are you happy with a smaller dynamic island? Or you holding out for a completely hole punch or under-display camera design? And which color would you pick if you had to choose? Coffee brown, purple, burgundy, or another bold shade like a new orange? Tell me your thoughts in the comments below. And let me know whether the iPhone 18 Pro and iPhone 18 Pro Max are shaping up to be your next upgrade, or if you're planning to wait for an even bigger redesign down the line.